Hair loss affects millions of people worldwide, but nature may have provided us with a remarkable solution that's been hiding in plain sight. Pumpkin seed oil, derived from the seeds of Cucurbita pepo, contains a unique combination of compounds that can naturally support hair growth and combat the underlying causes of hair loss. The science behind pumpkin seed oil's effectiveness lies in its rich concentration of phytosterols, particularly beta-sitosterol and delta-7 sterol. These plant compounds act as natural DHT blockers, inhibiting the enzyme 5-alpha reductase that converts testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, the primary culprit behind male pattern baldness and androgenetic alopecia. A groundbreaking study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine demonstrated that men who supplemented with pumpkin seed oil experienced a remarkable 40% increase in hair count after 24 weeks of treatment. This wasn't just statistical noise. Participants showed visible improvements in hair density and thickness. The mechanisms at work are fascinating. Pumpkin seed oil enhances blood circulation to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients directly to hair follicles. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties help heal damaged scalp tissue, creating an optimal environment for hair growth. Meanwhile, its zinc content supports protein synthesis, crucial for strong, healthy hair structure. For centuries, traditional healing systems have recognized the power of pumpkin seeds for maintaining healthy hair. Native American tribes used pumpkin seed preparations in their wellness rituals, understanding intuitively what modern science now confirms. Today, we can harness this ancient wisdom through both topical application and internal supplementation. When applied directly to the scalp, pumpkin seed oil penetrates deeply, nourishing hair follicles from the outside. As a supplement, it works systemically, addressing hormonal imbalances that contribute to hair loss. The beauty of this natural approach lies in its gentleness. Unlike harsh chemical treatments, pumpkin seed oil supports your body's natural healing processes, working with your physiology rather than against it. This integrative approach, combining traditional knowledge with scientific validation, represents the future of natural hair restoration.